The BLUETTI EB3A Solar Generator pairs a compact power station with a 100-watt solar panel, giving you a genuinely portable way to keep essentials running off-grid. Its lithium iron phosphate battery chemistry is a major plus, offering long cycle life, better stability, and safer operation than typical lithium-ion packs in this size class. For such a small unit, the dual 600-watt alternating current outlets with higher surge capacity handle everyday devices like laptops, small appliances, and camping gear surprisingly well. The built-in maximum power point tracking solar controller accepts substantial solar input, so you can recharge efficiently during the day instead of relying only on wall charging. Fast charging from wall power, with no bulky external power brick, makes it easy to top up the station quickly before a trip or incoming storm. As a backup at home, its uninterruptible power function can bridge brief outages for sensitive electronics, reducing the risk of data loss or sudden shutdowns.